Mastering the art of winning. Understanding, hold all the trumps. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's often used in both casual and formal English. Hold all the trumps. This expression is not just about card games. It's a powerful metaphor for life and competition. So, let's shuffle the deck and find out what it means to truly hold all the trumps in various situations. The phrase, hold all the trumps, comes from the world of card games, particularly trick-taking games like whist or bridge. In these games, a trump card is one that is given a higher value than cards of other suits. If you hold all the trumps, you have a set of cards that are of the highest value for that hand, giving you a significant advantage over your opponents. This phrase has transcended its card game origins to become a popular metaphor in everyday language. It signifies having all the advantages or being in a winning position in any competition or situation. Understanding how to use this expression can help you convey the idea of having a significant advantage. Here are some examples. In a negotiation, if you have more information and leverage than the other party, you could say, "In these talks, I hold all the trumps." In a competitive job market, if someone has unique skills and experiences that set them apart, you might comment, "With her qualifications, she holds all the trumps for the position." In personal achievements, if someone has all the necessary resources and talents to succeed, you could observe, "He holds all the trumps in starting his new business." Using this phrase adds depth to your language by illustrating a powerful concept of advantage and potential success. While "hold all the trumps" is a widely understood phrase in English-speaking countries, its usage can vary in different cultures. In some contexts, similar expressions might convey the idea of having an advantage but with local flavors or variations. It's also important to note that in contemporary times, the phrase can be used metaphorically in various situations, from politics to personal relationships, highlighting the speaker's perception of having an upper hand. Understanding and using the phrase, "hold all the trumps," enriches your English vocabulary and allows you to convey complex ideas of advantage and superiority in a nuanced way. Whether you're discussing strategic moves in business, personal achievements, or competitive scenarios, this expression adds a layer of depth to your storytelling. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this exploration of "hold all the trumps" has added a valuable card to your deck of English expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be holding all the trumps in your English language journey.